Hello everyone, my name is Salvatore Mascia. I'm the founder and CEO of CONTINUUS Pharmaceuticals. I'm here with my business partner, Bayan Takizawa, co-founder and chief business officer. How's it going, Bayan?
Oh, very good. Thank you, Salvatore.
Excellent. So we want to talk a little bit with you about the founding of CONTINUUS Pharmaceuticals, the story behind the company, and where we are right now. What an exciting journey, Ben, that we have gone through up to now. If I only think about when we met at that venture capital dinner, we were sitting to each other with just an idea of really transform this industry using continuous manufacturing to affect patient life, to provide more affordable medication, and see where we are right now about to implement commercially this technology makes me very exciting.
Yeah, definitely. We were definitely very optimistic when we first started. And I would say that the opportunities that we've been able to capitalize on and the work that we've been able to do, the achievements have been much more than I had expected over this very short time. But I think that the environment right now for continuous manufacturing is particularly good for what we're doing right now. The regulatory agencies have been very supportive, and even within this short time frame, we've seen much better or much more excitement about this new technology.
I totally agree. I totally agree. And again, I'm going back again from when we met, really starting about this, because I'm amazed when I think about where we first entered at CSC, at the Cambridge Innovation Center. We didn't have even a lab or a facility. It was a piece of paper. We're working on the business model, think about how we're going to approach this, how we're going to sit to customer, how we're building our own facility, and then we find the right way to initially trying to help customer to do this proof of concept. We're starting our lab, this amazing collaboration with the Italian machine manufacturing company IMA, and now obviously we are at this transition point. So I'm really amazed of everything that we have built up to now. And obviously, how about our team? I mean, it's amazing. Now we have 22 people working full time with this whole skill set into the company.
Yeah, absolutely. I think that we have been very lucky in terms of being able to get the right people on the team exactly. And a good testament to this is a few years ago, the FDA actually chose us on a project for continuous manufacturing to help them better understand this technology. And I think it speaks volumes that they chose a small company like ours, but I think it's really because of what you said. We really have this expertise in continuous manufacturing, really, if you think about it, across the entire system from start to finish, from reaction all the way to drug product. Yeah, then I would say equally important has been the vision that we've had for this company in terms of being able to deliver low-cost, high-quality drugs to patients and really impact healthcare in a very positive way.
Excellent, excellent. And on the point that you made about the regulatory, that's great because it's been a great change over to supporting continuous manufacturing. And from our standpoint, when we do this project, not really bringing in just knowledge on the technical part, but now we have also learned so much by working directly with the FDA on this project that we also are capable to develop a process that meets certain regulatory expectations. I think this is a very encouraging for obviously our customer as we move forward. The other things I'm thinking right now, we've been working a lot on starting with the solid dosage form, right? But now we're making this great transition into sterile injectable and see all the injuries that come from hospital network and trying to really affect the issue of drug shortages and drug costs. And this amazes me as well how versatile this system can be and how we're moving from one type of formulation to the next very easily.
Yeah, absolutely. That's a great thing. Part of our technology is the flexibility and the modularity to be able to accommodate and produce many different drug formulations. And speaking of these sterile injectables, that is a real problem right now, at least in the United States, where there are always 100, 200 drugs on this FDA shortage list. So patients are not getting the care that they need. And I really do believe that our technology, integrated continuous manufacturing, would provide a very good solution for this healthcare problem.
Great, great. I'm really excited about the journey we are having through, Bayan. Very, very happy about where we are right now, look obviously forward into the next step of now building our first CGMP facility to produce this drug. This has been a fantastic journey. I've been very lucky to meet such a business partner like you, and I'm really looking forward so much to make this a great success, but most of all, affecting patient life.
Yep, that's our vision.
Thank you.